heading into Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have today. Hopefully some new stuff. That would be awesome. Just walked in. They have the sunglasses here right by the carts and these new dog leashes. These are like really nice, you guys. Look at all these t-shirts. It's just boxes and boxes of them. Never seen this much. I mean, I don't know what's in here, but I live kind of with the arms cut off. Pretty nice t-shirts. V-neck and white, so I'm gonna grab a couple. Here's those trinket trays, purple. And then they have some in pink here. This is new. I haven't seen these. I've seen the invitations before, but I have not seen these banners, felt banners. They have everything to go with it. So I grabbed one of those because it's really cute. And they have this swirly one. Could use some more of these bags. I've used these for a while for birthday gifts, and you get 25 in here, so it's a good deal. Birthday gifts for studio. And you have it in the striped and all the numbers. So many great things for birthdays. I love these candles. I haven't seen the short printed vinyl paper. I'm gonna grab that because I think I can use that as a border. These baseball launchers here, so check it out. Very cute. I grabbed one of those. They have all these books. They have Minnie, Cinderella, Three Musketeers, and then over here we have The Lion King and 101 Dalmatians, and then we have, I'll pick that up, Dumbo and Peter Pan. A good selection here of Disney books. Very similar to Golden Books. And yes, I'm picking it up. This is my favorite Dollar Tree for books. And there's a lot of the same ones, but there are a few new ones. Critical Role. Thank you for voting. Young Readers Edition. Folded Wisdom. One by one by one. Not sure what that is. Some of these we've already seen. So they have these trivia games, The Office, Friends, and Seinfeld. And I thought those were really cool, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab those. And then I'm wondering, what is this? Oh, that's that game. Okay. A lot of games. They still have these. color form games. These are great for road trips when you have kids, right here. Vehicle bingo, roadside bingo. And I don't know if there's any other ones. Yeah, I don't see any more. Lots of jewelry. These are earrings, hoops, and necklaces, double-sided necklaces, single, sideways cross, some barrettes. All these nails by LA Color. So here's some of their hair accessories. Oh, look at, I found the butterflies, you guys. I need those in silver and gold. Cute. I've been looking for those. And they have this. This is nice. This is cute. And these little furry scrunchies. I like that. Some really cute hair accessories up here. I like these. You get 3 different ones in here. If I can get it. Okay, I can't get it off. These are cute. Got this butterfly clip. And these ones. The daisy. All these scrunchies. And you get 3 in these. This is a good deal, you guys. Here's an Avo tool. It's just over here with other stuff that it doesn't belong with, but I picked one of those up. These are new. These mason jar lids and straws. And they have the checkered plates. Oh, wait, these are the chargers, you guys. I've been looking for this. It's very cute. Might grab one of those for a tiered tray. Still can't find the animal plates for the kids.
Our hair. We have the same problem at home. I know. I see this in one of my sinks.